Hello everyone and welcome to wsignature.com. In this video we're learning how to make black soup. Now before we begin, if this is your first time here, welcome. Please feel free to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future updates. So let's get cooking. Now the ingredients you'll need for these are banga, you'll need crayfish, you'll need pomo, you'll need assorted meat, which is a combination of tripe and intestines. You'll need beef. You'll need dried fish. You'll also need bitter leaves, which has already been washed. You need uziza and scent leaves. Now let's begin. This is what scent leaf looks like. Now this is going to give the soup a very tasty flavor. To begin, I'm going to pluck the leaves from the stem and set this aside. Next, we'll be using uziza leaves, and this is what it looks like. It's a very hot kind of leaf. It adds this peppery flavor to the soup. And finally, this is bitter leaf, which balances all the flavors together. To begin, I'm going to slightly cook the washed bitter leaf to remove excess bitter taste. Okay, this is just going to be cooked for a short while, for about 5 minutes or so, and drained. I'm going to drain this and squeeze out the excess liquid. Then I'm going to blend all the leaves together. Now in goes the scent leaves. Next I'll add the uziza, and finally I'm going to be adding the bitter leaf into the blender. All these will be blended till I get a smooth puree. Just put that in, add water and blend till smooth. Black soup is a tasty and nutritious Nigerian soup native to the people from the south part of Nigeria, Edo State to be precise. Now it's a staple soup made from a combination of 3 different vegetables, ground till smooth and cooked with banga juice, which gives it a dark color and taste, hence the name black soup. You can enjoy this with any swallow, but mostly it's usually enjoyed with starch, fufu or pounded yam. Now the next step will be to cook the assorted meat, which is the tripe, the intestine and the cowhide, which is pomo. Going to cook this with salt and some seasoning. I'm going to leave this to cook in its juices for about 10 minutes. Then I'll add the beef and leave to cook for another 10 minutes. Okay, can you see it has brought out some water? So now I'm going to add the beef and leave this to cook for extra 10 minutes without water. This is to ensure the seasoning gets into the food and it cooks in its juices. Perfect. So at this stage, I'm going to add water into the meat and cook for 30 minutes till everything gets soft. Once it's soft, in goes the banga extract. I'll just give this a quick mix. And I'll add the dried fish, which has already been deboned. After the dried fish, I'll add the blended vegetables into the soup, and the soup is ready. Now, black soup can be enjoyed with any type of swallow, but usually people enjoy it with starch, pounded yam, fufu, or gari. But mainly starch, because that's very smooth. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed watching this video, do give me a thumb up or hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future updates. Till next time, bye bye.